Welcome to the Vulcanara Audible blog. The Future of Manufacturing, an Introduction to Cartesian 3D Printers. The Future of Manufacturing, an Introduction to Cartesian 3D Printers. 3D printing technology has been around for decades, but it has only recently begun to gain mainstream attention and popularity. One of the most common types of 3D printers is the Cartesian printer, named after the French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes.
A Cartesian 3D printer works by moving a print head, which contains the extruder in the nozzle, in the X, Y, and Z axes to create a 3D object. The printer reads a 3D model and slices it into layers, which are then printed one by one. The result is a physical object that is an exact replica of the digital model. Advantages. One of the biggest advantages of Cartesian 3D printers is their precision. Because the print head moves along precise X, Y, and Z axes, the finished product is highly accurate and consistent.
This makes Cartesian printers ideal for manufacturing parts and prototypes, as well as for creating detailed and intricate objects. Another advantage of Cartesian 3D printers is their ease of use. Many models come with software that makes it easy to prepare a 3D model for printing, and some even have touchscreen interfaces for added convenience. Drawbacks. However, Cartesian 3D printers also have some limitations. They tend to be larger and more expensive than other types of 3D printers, and they are not always suitable for large-scale manufacturing. Additionally, the printing process can be quite slow, especially for large and complex objects. Despite these limitations, Cartesian 3D printers are an important and rapidly advancing technology. They are already being used in a wide range of industries, from aerospace and automotive to healthcare and architecture. As 3D printing technology continues to improve, we can expect to see even more applications for Cartesian printers in the future. Conclusions. Cartesian 3D printers are precision machines that offer a wide range of benefits for manufacturing and prototyping. They may have some limitations, but they are an important technology that is sure to play an increasingly important role in the future of manufacturing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon.